Look, part of me, a full part of me is in love. I know we just met, but a part of you is in part of me. This I know it's more than just sex. I'm like, oh girl, you're my ghost girl. You take away my breath. And if I break your heart or you break my heart, and there's not a lot of heart left, and I ain't the best at this, that's my exorcist. They'd probably be glad to tell you this. Thinking that you're rebellious. You got a belly button ring, but you barely is. And ain't nobody here celibate. I just wanna love you for a long time. I just wanna pick you up and then toss you around, and that body, girl, is all mine. Say my name, wear it out. 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 Some say one love is dumb love, but I know for sure it ain't true. I've been in and out of a lot of girls. I got stuck when I was in you. And like, don't you get it confused. You see, you know how the girls will be doing me. They got nothing on you, that's nothing. Only a rubber comes between you and me. Sorry, baby. Ain't the type chillin' at the party, baby.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, 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 bells.
Everything we've ever dreamed. I need to succeed, rises above, I don't need to breathe. No words, tears won't make any room for more. Don't hurt anything like I felt before. This is no broken heart, no familiar scars. This territory goes uncharted.
Yeah, no GPS, no maps to follow. Just rhymes that I'm sending like a message in a bottle. Nah, it ain't about the money. It's about the art, they could never buy that from me. I made some records trying to get spins on the local rap station, and they didn't even listen. I'm done doing it my own way now. And now I'm popping, they wanna act like they know me now. We didn't even know my name, paid me no mind when I was trying to give them my demo with all of my rhymes. But